The ministerial panel has given the go-ahead for Mahan and Chhatrasal coal blocks, but that green signal comes with some riders. Remember, this is good news for the Essar Hindalco joint venture and Reliance Power. Nitya Balakrishnan joins us with who stands to benefit.
What we picked up from government sources at the end of that meeting is, as far as Mahan and Chhatrasal, the two coal blocks in Madhya Pradesh, is concerned, the group of ministers has recommended clearance for both. Now, this obviously will be taken up by the cabinet at a later date. But remember, this is a huge relief, of course, for Essar Hindalco and Reliance Power, the company is concerned, because Essar and Hindalco, a 50-50 joint venture for setting up 1,750 megawatt of power projects, it's completely reliant on just the Mahan coal block. And as far as Reliance Power is concerned, a 4,000 megawatt UMPP at Sasan is completely dependent on Chhatrasal for coal. Both projects have been held up for over a year. So this nod from the group of ministers, of course, is a huge relief from them. But what we're also picking up is that this does come with certain conditions attached to it, and that will have to be fulfilled, including CSR, immediate afforestation by 3 companies, setting up a 5% of projected outlay for CSR activities, all those attached to this conditional clearance, of course. As far as the other topics of NTPC's North Karanpura, alternate coal blocks for allocation for power projects which are stuck in limbo, those decisions not yet taken. But as far as Reliance, Essar and Hindalco is concerned, definitely an interim breather.